Hi guys, I'm going to go meet my friends. One of them are performing. She has a Kathak dance performance. So let's fix this face to go meet them. My skin has been not the best recently, so we are not gonna do a lot in terms of makeup, but we will put some cream. I've been using this Rene Glow. I'm not using concealer really because a lot of textures going on right now. We'll put a little bit of blush. I've been using this for a while now. A line to get my air filled in my tire, so sorry for that. And for lipstick, this is a pouch, by the way. My genie pouch has everything I need. I'll be using this lipstick, my MAC, and to kind of dial it down, I'll be using my Lakme. This is the shade High Drama. Kind of really defines me. Drive time to go ahead the line. Well, this is pretty much it, and now I'll comb my hair and I'm ready. This is my pocket comb, by the way. You guys are there. Really does the job. I do have a kajal and I kind of really want to use it, so we'll use the blue shade. It's very electric blue, so I hope it does the job. The spikes are poking me. There you go. Okay. Some finishing touches with the pen. So yep, that should do it. This is my favorite perfume.